So at Vogue Fashion today, we're going to show you how to wear muted colors in the monsoon. It's not necessary that you always have to wear bright colors to cheer up the gloomy weather. We love the feeling of the monsoon. We have three beautiful girls who are going to show you how to wear the muted palette for the monsoon. You know, playing with the different moods of muted colors, we have Megha or monsoon clouds here wearing a beautiful shaded ensemble by Anamika Khanna. And what we've done is we've added a very random touch of color, this beautiful coral colored necklace with a new contemporary slightly edgy motif. So giving her a look that's very easy but yet extremely stylish and chic. Where do you think you'd wear this?
Definitely in the evening. I can't see myself traipsing around during the day in it, but you know, maybe like a cocktail party or you know, a really nice elegant dinner or something like that.
Perfect, you look lovely.
Thank you.
We have, you know, lovely lacquered wooden bangles which you can pick up anywhere. The bright colored flats kind of offset the dull color of the dress. Dull for some, we love it this season. And also, it doesn't have to be like a primary bright color. So what we're saying is, you know, trust your instinct, try an unusual route. You don't have to only wear red, yellow or green. There are beautiful other muted tones available that you can mix into your look. So we have the lovely Antara with us, a real privilege, who's wearing this sequined dress by Varun Bahl, and she's actually wearing tiny shorts underneath so that she's super comfortable when she goes out partying on the town. She's teamed it with lovely shoes that are Prada, totally mismatched, which is what we're all about, I think. Exactly. You know. So the whole thing is about, you know, I mean, the day sequence is really big, but since we're going with muted colors, we've taken it back to the night to light up this amazing dress. And what Antara has done, which is very clever, is she's like worn a one shoulder dress but actually dropped it off the shoulder, so making it a little more flirty and fun. Come on, do a turn for us. And this totally works because she's going to be super comfortable when she's out dancing, yet it's elegant and cool, you know, to have cocktails early in the evening. How do you
Definitely,
feel?
I love it. I would totally wear it, and I'm going to invest in it actually very much.
Lovely, thank you.
Thank you.